Hello, so today I'm coming at you with a tip, and this is about avocados because it's National Avocado Day this week, Wednesday, and I'm choosing to use them in my recipe today just so that you can make it maybe tomorrow or on National Avocado Day. There's also National Guacamole Day, September 16th. So what you look for in an avocado is it's actually going to be mostly kind of a brownish color, not as much of a green color when you want to actually be eating it. The really green ones that are hard and stuff, you're not going to get out of the shell properly. So here's what I do. By any means, if anyone else does it differently, you can message in the comments, message me on Facebook, wherever you like. But basically comes apart like that. I'm going to set down that half, and then I just wiggle this in. I don't just thwack it because there's been plenty of avocado disasters. Then it should just come out like that. And I normally just take it off with my hand. I know it's a little messy that way, but then I don't end up with as many scars on my hands. So now that I rinsed my hands quick, I go in from one side. And if it's not coming apart that easy, you may have an unripe avocado. And to tell you the truth, when I started with avocado, I thought I really hated avocado because I had hard avocados and couldn't figure out how to peel them. And really, it's kind of a science of getting used to it. But then you follow it around, get it out of its shell. I normally flip it over so the flat side's down before I go ahead and cut it. So for salads, I tend to cut it this way. And just chop it up. Or you could leave it in the slices, however you want to do it. But since you're cutting open the avocado anyway, dirty one knife. Otherwise, I will mash it up for other stuff, and that I can either use a potato masher, a fork, even a spoon. But since I'm going to be putting it into a salad, I'm going to chop it this way this time. And then again, just basically rough chop dicing. Not so much dicing, just rough chopping it. So voila, there you have it, how to clean an avocado. If anyone else is looking for any more information on avocados, I wish I could give you more, but main thing to keep avocados from turning brown, you put them in lime juice. That's the same thing with the poor man's guacamole that I'm going to show you in today's recipe. Have a great day, everybody.